Your Honor, and we approved it right then and there, and the mayor wanted it to be passed dito sa City Council, Your Honor. That's all, Your Honor. Sana suportahan natin lahat ito dahil kailangan ng ospital ng Baseco. Thank you, Your Honor.
Maraming salamat, Konsehal Dr. Alfonso. Konsehal Sarcal.
Thank you, Your Honor. I'd just like to also commend din po yung local health board din po natin. Bagamat hindi naman po sila monthly nakakapag-meet, pero as often as they can, they do meet. And ito po, hindi po nagkaroon ng problema pagdating po sa aming committee, sa Civil Service, and sa Appropriations Committee. Kaya nga po ay mabilis namin nagawa na committee report from the two committees, and it was duly processed and passed to the City Council right now. Kaya tayo naman ay bilang ang committee po natin ay puro sa tao and para rin naman po sa pag-appropriate ng tama na budget dito po sa mga pasilidad ng ating syudad ay nagpapasalamat na rin ako sa local health board and all the members din po sa pagbibigay po ng mabilis at maayos na pagproseso po natin nito sa ating mga ospital. Yun lamang po. Maraming salamat.
Maraming salamat, Konsehal Tol Sarcal. Mr. Majority Floor Leader.
Yes, Your Honor, ako natutuwa rin dahil nandito lahat ng suporta ng buong konseho at ang ating presiding officer kasi matagal na ito hinihiling ng mga taga-Baseco yung kanilang ospital. Ngayon, ready na siya maging full-blown talagang ospital na kung tatawagin natin. So, ready na talaga tayo no, para maging full-blown hospital siya. So with that, Your Honor, I move that we close with a period of discussion and debate.
There's a motion to close with a period of discussion and debate. Are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of amendments.
There's a motion to dispense with the period of amendments. Are there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I move for the approval of the said ordinance for second reading.
There's a motion to approve the said ordinance in its second reading. Are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is carried.
1 minute recess.
1 minute recess is declared by the chair. Session resumed.
Your Honor, we have here for third and final reading and for publication an ordinance creating the staffing pattern of 144 plantilla items for the President Corazon C. Aquino General Hospital in Baseco Compound, providing funds necessary therefore and for other purposes. Your Honor, I move for its approval for third and final reading and for publication.
There's a motion to approve the said ordinance for its third and final reading and for publication. Are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor.
Your Honor.
Council Attorney.
Thank you po.
Council Tol Sarcal.
Thank you po, Your Honor. Si Tol Sarcal po. At I'd like to manifest lang din po that the councilors from the 5th District be made as co-principal authors din naman po. As long, also, of course, our regular presiding officer who is from the 5th District. And Dr. Irma Alfonso is as co-principal author as well of this ordinance. Yun lamang po.
Maraming salamat. Council Tol Sarcal. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the request of the author. Mr. Majority Floor Leader.
Yes, we're down with our final item to tackle. A resolution urging the City Engineer Department to conduct an earthquake risk audit on all local government infrastructure projects and buildings, private commercial building owners, and ratify their retrofitting to ensure compliance with the revised National Building Code, principally authored by Honorable Mark Anthony Tolmac Ignacio. Your Honor, I move that we tackle this on the floor.
There's a motion to tackle the said resolution on the floor. Are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I seek the recognition of the principal author, Honorable Mark Anthony Tolmac Ignacio.
Council Ignacio, you are recognized.
Magandang hapon po. Magandang hapon sa aking mga kasama. Naisip ko lang po na ipasa ang resolusyon na ito dahil ito po ay napapanahon sa mga, alam naman natin, meron tayong kaba na maaaring dumating ang the big one at any given time. So, siguro it's just about time na i-check natin yung ating mga infrastructure, mapa-private man o government, na tayo ay may kakayahan o kahit papaano yung ating mga establishment o mga building na nandito, mapa-historical man yan, bago man yan o luma man yan, dahil alam natin, after 15 years, hindi na po yan na cargo ng mga engineer, ng mga architect. So, kung sino man ang may-ari ng building, sila na po ang talagang, kumbaga, wala nang warranty o insurance yung mga building na yan. So, sa akin po, siguro kailangan magsagawa ang engineering ng audit para malaman natin na handa po itong ating mga establishmento kung sakali mang dumating sa atin ang Dabiguan. Sana naman po ay hindi. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Consel Tolmac Ignacio.
With that, Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of discussion, debate, and Your Honor, I move that we open with the period of discussion and debate.
There's a motion to open the period of discussion and debate. Are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is carried. Consel Reyes, you are recognized.
Thank you po, Madam Presiding Officer. Gusto ko lang pong isigundahan yung resolution ni Consel Ignacio. Like sa amin po sa distrito, meron po akong mga alam na lugar na parang hindi na po sila okay, I think, na kailangan po mabisita ng engineering. Lalo na po na pwede po tayo sa anytime sa anumang po panganib. Siguro po maganda rin pong makapi-furnish po ang City of Engineering natin para ma-review po nila yung mga ni-report po ng mga barangay na sa tingin po nila ay hindi na po matibay pa. Lalo na po kung dumating yung kinatatakutan nating lindol. Thank you po.
Maraming salamat, Consel Science Reyes. Consel Attorney Hizon.
Thank you very much, Madam Presiding Officer. Nais ko lang din po suportahan ang ginawang resolusyon ng ating kasamahan sa 5 Distrito, si Consel Tolmac Ignacio. Napakaganda po ng ordinansa niya, naisip po ni Consel Ignacio yung current po na damdamin ng ating mga residente na kinakabahan po ngayon at narang feeling po nila ay nanganganib po sila dahil sunod-sunod po yung lindol. Maganda po itong resolusyon na to dahil pag nakita po ng ating mga residente na ang syudad po ng Maynila ay nag-audit po ng ating mga istruktura at marinig po nila mismo galing sa gobyerno na ligtas ang ating mga istruktura dito sa lungsod ng Maynila, naniniwala po ako na mababawasan po yung takot ng ating mga residente. Kaya nais ko po i-congratulate si Consel Ignacio. Nakagawa po siya ng isang resolusyon na nagre-reflect po sa current na damdamin ng ating mga residente at sana po suportahan po ito ng ating mga kasamahan sa 13th City Council. Thank you very much po.
Maraming salamat, Consel Attorney Hizon. Consel Mercado.
Maraming salamat po, Madam Presiding Officer. Ako po ay sumusuporta rin sa napakagandang resolusyon ng ating kasamahang konsehal. Very timely dahil po kailangan talaga meron tayong kahandaan, kailangan tayong maganda, bagamat alam natin, hindi naman natin alam kung kailan darating, na sana hindi dumating. So, isa pong napakagandang paraan para magkaroon tayo ng kaligtasan, lalong-lalo na po yung mga lumang mga building, lumang mga establishmento na ma-check kung ito po ba ay may kakayanan pa kung dumating ang ganitong sakuna. Kaya muli po, ako po 100% na sumusuporta. Napakagandang resolusyon. Congratulations, Konsehal. At tayo po magkaisa. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Consel Mercado. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the manifestation of support. Consel Veloso, you are recognized.
Thank you, Your Honor. Ako po nakikisa sa resolution na ito. Napakaganda at wag namang mangyari na dumating nga si The Big One. Pero sabi nga nila, pag iniisip mo na iniisip, baka dumating Wag na nating isipin na dumating siya. Pero kailangan pong maganda din tayo dahil yung dati na proklama na condemned na like yung sa South Superhighway, yung tenement dati na-declare na yun kaya lang tinitirahan pa rin ng mga tao. Kailangan siguro mag-double check din tayo na tignan natin ang kapakanan nila na sana nga hindi ito dumating at mawala na sa isipan natin na ang mangyayari lamang ay nasa kamay pa rin ng ating Ama sa Langit. Kaya idadasal na lang natin na huwag na sana pong dumating ang araw na iyon. Yun lamang po, yun ang tagapangulo.
Maraming salamat, Consel Veloso. Consel Ortega, you're recognized.
Magandang hapon po, Your Honor. Ako po ay nakikiisa po dito po sa resolution po ng ating kasamahang konsihal mula sa ikalimang distrito. Naniniwala po akong napapanahon po itong kanyang resolusyon. Sa katunayan po, wala pa po yung the big one, pero meron na po tayo ditong building sa may Malvar, isang eskwelahan na tumagilid. What more kung dumating po itong the big one na ito, for sure po, mas maraming mga old buildings po dito sa lungsod ng Maynila ang nakakatakot na baka ganito rin yung mangyari. So congratulations rin kay Konsehal Tolmac Ignacio at sana po ay kung mamarapatin po ng author na sana ay maging co-author din po ako dito sa resolution na ito. Maraming salamat po. Magandang hapon po.
Maraming salamat, Consel Ortega. Mr. Majority Floor Leader.
Yes, with that, Your Honor, I move that we close with a period of discussion and debate.
There's a motion to close with a period of discussion and debate. Are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I move that we dispense with the period of amendments.
There's a motion to dispense with the period of amendments. Are there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried.
Your Honor, I move for the approval of the said resolution.
There's a motion to approve the said resolution. Does anyone second this? It has been seconded by Consejal Fajardo, Consejal Dr. Alfonso, Consejal Nieva, Consejal Tan, Consejal Atienza, Consejal Sarcal, Consejal Alibarbar, Consejal Lau, Consejal Attorney Quintos, Consejal Bagaching, Consejal Reyes, Consejal Almeron, Consejal Castro, Consejal Dumagoso, Consejal Lim Yuen, Consejal C, Consejal Ortega, Consejal Attorney Hizon, Consejal Mercado, Consejal Castañeda, Consejal Uy, Consejal Veloso. Given that it has been duly seconded, are there any objections? Hearing none, motion is carried.
I want to manifest to include lahat po ng konsehal, maging ang presiding officer, na maging principal author po nito. Maraming salamat po.
Maraming salamat, Consejal Ignacio. Mr. Secretary, please take note of the requests of the author.
Your Honor, I move that we leave with the suspension of the rules.
There's a motion to lift the suspension of rules. Are there any objection? Hearing none, motion is carried. Rules are now reinstalled.
I move to adjourn.
Before we adjourn, I would like to manifest. In light of what transpired last Thursday, I trust that everyone has taken the time to review the memorandum I issued to the 13th City Council of Manila, reminding all members of the strict obligation to uphold professionalism and to refrain from engaging in any form of sexual banter or innuendos during council proceedings. Let us maintain the highest level of respect and decorum inside and outside of this chamber. Meanwhile, in line with the commitment to transparency, accountability, and fairness, I am requesting the Committee on Ethics of the 13th Council, headed by Consejal Attorney Hizon, to conduct its hearing on Thursday, October 16, 2025, in a fair, impartial, and transparent manner. This is to ensure that both parties are given their right to due process and to allow wheels of justice to prevail in accordance with the Council's internal rules of procedure and applicable laws. To reinforce the principle of public accountability as enshrined in Article 11 of the 1987 Constitution and in the spirit of transparency, this hearing will be transparent and will be open to the public. However, in observance of the sub judice rule, we will ask all attendees to keep their mobile phones switched off or on silent mode and to refrain from taking photos, videos, or audios or in any time. Any violation of this directive may be considered a breach of decorum of the committee's internal rules. Under my leadership, the City Council remains committed to demonstrating integrity and transparency in all its proceedings. We owe this to the Manileños who entrusted us with public office. We are here as public servants and not as politicians. Thank you very much. Session adjourned.